We were looking for a different way of funding the school without raising property taxes, and realized there is a provision in state law that allows for a school district to be able to lease equipment and property. We were thinking about if there's a way to reduce reliance on transportation where we're sending kids from a particular neighborhood, Fifth Ward, to all over the city of Evanston. And then we can repurpose the money that we spend on transportation to do debt service on the lease certificate. And the beauty of that is there'll be no increase in property taxes. For students, they have the resources necessary to be able to have the best teachers, the supplies or anything that they need for the school district to function well. They're attending a school district where there's a stable financial future.